welcome to Learning is Fun's Book Check! On this show, we'll introduce you to our very own books weekly. And today, we'll be featuring an activity book. Introducing Introduction to Sewing, the essential guide to sewing clothes. The book is 28.50 centimeters long, 22 centimeters wide, and 0.40 centimeters thick. The book also weighs 0.2 kilograms and has 48 creative pages. Make your own stylish and unique clothes with this essential sewing guide. With a detailed introduction to basic stitches, fabrics, and sewing tools, plus a range of simple patterns for adults and children, this is the perfect beginner's guide. Be inspired with this introduction to sewing. Wondering how much this book is? You can get it for only 90 pesos. Just click the link on the description below to place your order. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Just search for Learning is Fun PH. That's it for today, learning friends. See you again on our next book check. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.